Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TaskRabbit for gig earnings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the TaskRabbit website or download the TaskRabbit app from your device's app store. Click on the Become a Tasker button to start the registration process. Fill in your basic information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password to protect your account. Next, select your location to find available tasks in your area. Review and accept the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. Verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Log into your TaskRabbit account and proceed to complete your profile. Add a profile picture that represents you professionally. Write a brief and engaging description about yourself and your skills. Select the categories of tasks you are interested in, such as cleaning, handyman work, or delivery. Set your hourly rate for the services you will provide. You may also need to complete a background check, so be prepared to submit personal information. Once your profile is complete, it will be reviewed by TaskRabbit for approval. After approval, you'll be able to browse available tasks and start accepting gigs. Stay active by checking the platform regularly for new opportunities. Communicate effectively with clients to ensure successful task completion. Remember to provide great service to build a positive reputation and get more bookings. Track your earnings through the app or website to manage your finances. Continue to refine your skills and services to expand your gig offerings. Enjoy the flexibility and rewards of working with TaskRabbit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.